On Tuesday, as avalanche conditions developed, DOT crews shut down US 2 near the Stevens Pass summit and used 2 M60 tanks to fire artillery rounds at avalanche areas.
Okay, we're loading, ready to load. You got your earmuffs on?
Yeah.
Triggering slides while the roadway is clear.
Loaded! Loaded! Clear! Up, all clear, ready to fire! Everybody okay?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Most avalanche control work is done between midnight and 6 a.m., but on Tuesday, as conditions became more unstable, DOT officials decided to temporarily close US 2 in the afternoon.
Loaded! Loaded!
30 rounds of artillery were fired at known avalanche areas by the 2 tanks before crews reopened the road to traffic.